Well, here we are for the downstairs kitchen scrap garden, kitchen window edition. We are going to add to our salad today. So here's the celery. Look at that. It's coming right up. We're going to take this one. Oop, there we go. Oops, faucet. So that was some celery. Pretty nifty. We have some lettuce. Let's see if we can get this. Oop, there's one. Let me turn this. What do we have here? Two. There we go. And maybe, there we are. There's some lettuce. Okay. Oh, stop. Stop. And, oop, I'm sorry. Throwing you into my sink. There we go. And get some more lettuce. And the other lettuce. What do you think? Pretty good salad. Yum. See you next time.